seems that there's 999 happy HOTHS assembled here for some sort of midnight jamboree.
Oh, well, perhaps they heard that. This is Halloween.
Julie, I have a question for you. Is this red hall actually stretching, or is it just my imagination? Ooh.
Well, we let our imaginations run.
Actually, we are the Royal Fairy Tale Players. We're just about to tell a story. I see you've all come to join us.
Pumpkin tree. Excuse me, sorry, they
Oh, yes, Ridley, follow him.
Reading through. Yes, all right. And all right, don't do this, Julie. This is not to be advised. All right, okay. All right. Our story is about to begin.
Yes, you don't want to miss this one. Once upon a time, in the cool, crisp air of autumn, Halloween began.
Yes. Long before your little feet ran in the street or trick or treat, or even yours.
Oh, the wishing star winked at the moon, and the mystery and merriment of Halloween came to be.
Yes.
That just never gets old for me.
And so it was that in the autumn of once upon a time,
In a land of dreams come true.
there grew a beautiful pumpkin tree named Boo. There were other pumpkin trees, Bob, Mumble, and Squeak, and Grim, to name a few, who liked to haunt and prank with their pumpkins, causing mischief by the light of the harvest moon.
But Boo, well, she was just merry and bright, spreading pretty pumpkins far and wide in three, like wishes from an enchanted tree.
And so it was that under the wishing star at night, Boo filled her branches with ginger, auburn, and golden doors.
By morning they had been picked for tricks and carved for tricks, and new ones had grown in their places. But there was one curious pumpkin that Boo saved, for she knew it had the potential to be something more, something unique and special. And so she saved it for just the right moment.
And that is where our story really begins.
On a dark and starry night, when the fairy godmother was on her way to help Cinderella get to the ball, I bet people couldn't Boo. Now I know you know that story, but I bet you didn't know that the pumpkin coach was actually Boo's idea.
But that can't be right, can it?
Well, it was.
Oh.
You see, Boo saw Cinderella crying in the garden, so disappointed she couldn't go to the ball. Oh, it's all right. Oh, it is. Love it.
I wish I could go to the ball.
One look at sad Cinderella, and Boo longed to tell. But what could an enchanted pumpkin do, Boo thought? How would the poor girl need a ride to the ball?
Oh, yes, let's see. What shall I use for Cinderella's coach? Perhaps a cucumber, or a kumquat, or a melon?
And it was then that Boo knew exactly what to do. She lowered one long, twisting branch and rolled her perfect pumpkin she had saved into the fairy godmother's view.
Why, that should do nicely. Now, let's see. Bibbidi, bobbidi. Oh, what should come next?
Right, of course, Boo.
Yes. Bibbidi, bobbidi, boo.
And with that, Boo's perfect pumpkin became Cinderella's coach. Look, isn't it marvelous? Oh,
Yes.
we told you the tree was enchanted.
And now the pumpkin couch the rest was, as they say, history.
Of course, that was many harvest moons ago. And since then, Boo has grown old and wise, offering many more wishes. But every Halloween, when our first fairy tale is told, Boo lights her pumpkins with this story.
Yes, and whose story was it? Cinderella, that's right. Would you like to see it?
Yes!
Oh, excellent. Well, then let's begin, shall we? If all work together, that's the only way that magic happens. You do have your wands, yes?
Yes. Yes. Right.
Do you have your wands?
Yes, we have ours.
Yes, you do indeed. All right.
nor I of you. Come closer. Wondrous things can happen. I learned when I was small. When you wish for love for others, you feel the love for all.
Oh, yes. Oh, another rhyme, please.
Yes, dear. Here's one to remember, never to forget. Halloween wishes come and go, but look to my branches and you shall know. Though an enchanted pumpkin carried the maid to the ball, 'twas Cinderella's courage that makes love come of it all. So when the pumpkin lights do glow, and the wind of Halloween does blow, make a wish to be who you truly are, and shine with me under the wishing star.
Did you hear that?
A wish to shine as we truly are. Oh, just like the pumpkin did. Oh, well, let's do it. Come on, everyone together. Repeat after me. I wish I may, I wish I might.
I wish I may, I wish I might. Be myself and shine brave and bright.
Be myself and shine brave and bright.
That's it, my dears. Remember to wish when you come near, and I shall always, always hear.
Oh, we will.
Well, that was the story of Boom,
What's that?
the enchanted pumpkin tree, and scene.
Thank you. So lovely, so lovely. Well, I suppose that's it for tonight.
Yes, so shall we?
Yes, we shall.
We are the
Fairy tale players, thank you all for coming.
Yes, feel free to stick around and check out the scenes in Boo's Park. It's quite something.
Yes, that's right. And come back anytime you like to make a wish.